Farhad Suri, Congress's candidate, now joins us. He's one of those leaders against whom allegations have been made by the Aam Aadmi Party, by the Chief Minister herself. Farhad Suri, thank you so much for speaking with us here on CNN News 18. ये जो आरोप आप पे लग रहे हैं, जो आम आदमी पार्टी कह रही है that your campaign is being funded by the BJP.
You want my response?
Yes, sir.
ये इसको दिमाग का दिवालियापन कहा जा सकता है और कुछ नहीं कहा जाता, बौखलाहट कहा जाता, कहना चाहिए। और ये जो जंगपुरा कंस्टिट्यूएंसी की हकीकत है ये वो दर्शाती है, क्योंकि सिसोदिया साहब इलेक्शन बुरी तरह हार रहे हैं। अब वो उसके लिए पहले से ही जवाब ढूंढ रहे हैं या इसको इश्यू को डाइवर्ट करना चाहते हैं, वो ये बेहतर जानते होंगे। जमीनी हकीकत ये है कि सिसोदिया साहब he is on a very weak wicket, and mind you, this is Delhi. If a gentleman abandons his present seat after having won 3 elections and migrates to another constituency, obviously something is wrong. He has not worked in his constituency, and such messages and such reputations tend to follow one wherever he goes.
Why do you think that is, sir? It's interesting that you bring that up, that he's had to abandon his seat and move to yours. Why do you think that the Aam Aadmi Party or Manish Sisodia himself had to do that?
Well, he was on a very, very weak wicket over there. So apparently he miscalculated. He thought this would be an easy constituency. Now he's learning the lesson the hard way.
Now, there is another candidate of the Congress party that has been named by the Chief Minister and by Arvind Kejriwal as well, accusing the two of you of colluding with the BJP. In fact, the Aam Aadmi Party has also now gone on and sent an ultimatum that unless all of you come out clean, unless Ajay Maken comes out and apologizes for what was said of Kejriwal, then this alliance is going to be problematic as far as the bigger India picture is concerned.
See, ma'am, I'm a very small worker. My remarks and my feedback would be at best confined to Delhi. It would be at best to Ajay Maken Saab is a senior leader. I'm sure he's more than capable of clarifying and defending and saying what he wants to do and say. But if you have to pose any questions to me, it has to be on Delhi.
Sure, it is, but it is about Delhi because one of the reasons why the Aam Aadmi Party has given this ultimatum to the Congress is the case that they're citing about you and your funding from the BJP, which is why I've posed the question to you, sir.
Where is the proof? I mean, there's plenty of proof against Sisodia and Kejriwal in the liquor scam case. Let them clarify their position on that and answer to the courts. Here, I mean, you can come out with any vague statement. Unfortunately, झूठ बोलने पे इस मुल्क में कोई टैक्स नहीं लगता. तो ये तो जितना बोलेंगे, और केजरीवाल का तो रिकॉर्ड ही है कि वो झूठ बोलते हैं. झूठ के सिवा बोलते कि आज जो दिल्ली में उनकी हालत है वो झूठ की वजह से ही है ना. अवाम ने देख लिया कितना झूठ बोलते हैं. जमीन पे कुछ काम नहीं हुआ है, और वही क्योंकि सिसोदिया साहब उनके डिप्टी रहे हैं तो वो भी उसमें इन्वॉल्व है. और आतिशी मैडम के बारे में आई नॉर्मली रिफ्रेन फ्रॉम मेकिंग एनी कमेंट्स अगेंस्ट लेडीज, बट ये तो दिमाग का दिवालियापन ही नजर आता है, फ्रस्ट्रेशन नजर आती है. मैं आपको 3 छोटी सी चीजें बता देता हूँ, बहुत छोटी. हमारे यहाँ दिल्ली में हर जगह एरिया डेवलपमेंट फंड मिलता है डेवलपमेंट के लिए, आप वाकिफ होंगे उससे. केजरीवाल साहब का 18 करोड़ लैप्स हो रहा है, सिसोदिया साहब का 4 करोड़ और 4 करोड़ से ज्यादा आतिशी मैडम का. ये लोग सिर्फ बोलते हैं, ये पैसा अवेलेबल था, ये लोगों की डेवलपमेंट में सिविक कम्युनिटीज पे खर्चा कर सकते थे. तो इनकी बात बोलिए, ये दिल्ली के सामने एक्सपोज हो गए. सरकार ने मना कर दिया कि वो फर्जी कैंप्स नहीं लगाने, ये अभी भी लगा रहे हैं फर्जी कैंप्स. तो ये तो झूठ पर. दिस पार्टी इज बेस्ड ऑन लाइज एंड लाइज एंड लाइज, नथिंग एल्स.
So, sir, the allegations that have been made against you, like you're saying, there is no proof to back it. Would we then see you or the Congress party take any action, legally speaking, against the Aam Aadmi Party?
बिल्कुल, मैं पार्टी से इजाजत लूंगा, उनको कंसल्ट करूंगा. जाती तौर पे मेरी ये राय है कि बिल्कुल लीगल एक्शन लेना चाहिए. मगर पार्टी से क्योंकि बंधा हूं तो पार्टी की इजाजत चाहिए होगी। और माइंड यू, हिंदुस्तान में सबसे ज्यादा कोर्ट में जाके अगर किसी ने माफी मांगी है नेता ने, तो वो केजरीवाल है, उसका रिकॉर्ड भी आपके पास होगा।
So if Arvind Kejriwal or Atishi publicly apologize to you, to Sandeep Dixit and to other leaders of the Congress party, is that something that would satisfy you?
On a personal level, no. If the party says yes, but on a personal level, no. You cannot levy such allegations. It does tarnish a person's image, and especially if it's reported by the media to such a large extent. No, I'm an honest man. I feel very hurt by such allegations. And like I said, if the party gives me permission, I'll go to court against both of them.
Would you be taking this up with the higher ups, perhaps with the Congress president, with Rahul Gandhi as well, sir?
नो सर, आई कीप ऑन टेलिंग यू, मैं बहुत छोटा वर्कर हूँ। मैं अपने स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट से बात करूंगा। मेरी औकात उतनी है, मैं बड़ा नेता नहीं हूँ। मैं कोई आई एम नो केजरीवाल एंड सिसोदिया, मैं बड़ा आदमी नहीं हूँ, मैं छोटा सा वर्कर हूँ। मेरी माँ भी कांग्रेस की छोटी वर्कर थी, 5 साल 5 टर्म एमएलए रही हैं, वो दिल्ली कांग्रेस की प्रेसिडेंट रही हैं। मैं मेयर रहा हूँ, मगर मैं बड़ा छोटा वर्कर हूँ। मैं मेरी नहीं है, बट मैं आई विल टेक इट अपॉन द अप्रोप्रिएट फोरम्स।
Farhad Suri, one last question before I let you go. I know you said restrict this to Delhi, but I want to ask you about the India bloc as well. Congress is a main part of that India alliance, of the India bloc. And when we see such kind of public bickering between two allies of the same bloc, do you think it eventually just ends up helping the BJP?
सब आप एक बात नहीं समझ रहे. You must understand one thing, which we have explained up to times. This tie-up was for the parliamentary elections to block incompetent communal and anti-constitution party. So that platform is still there. But on a local level, now we didn't have a tie-up with them in Haryana, did we? That's a recent. I mean, it took what the elections took place a couple of months back.
Right.
So why this question on Delhi? We go our separate ways, and the Congress, mind you, whatever the press says or whatever the media says or whatever conclusions you come to, the Congress in Delhi is on a very strong wicket. We are not going to surprise ourselves with the results, but with the results that come, you people will be surprised.
The people of Delhi will decide, and they will decide in their own wisdom. But Farhad Suri, thank you so much for speaking with us here on CNN News 18 and sharing your perspective.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. With that, it's time for a quick break here. We'll be right back.